Okay, so here I am over at the 1997 Honda Civic HX. I have my system hooked up here. You got the tubes that are going down to the bottom, a 1 gallon of gas and a 2 gallon can, so there's room for vaporization. We got 4 tubes. It's duct taped down there so that way it's all sealed and everything, no air getting in. The mass airflow sensor all taken out, and this hose that goes to here is taped off. All of the injectors are indeed unplugged. Here is my fuel pump relay, so that is off. Have my trusty fire extinguisher here, rated for gasoline and electric fires, just in case something were to go wrong. So let's start her up. Alright, so you saw my setup, and maybe somebody out there can tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I've seen it work on other cars. So if you could help me, great. I'll just put some starting fluid in it, and so we'll see what happens now. See, so it will start up a little bit, so I know that it's not the spark plugs or anything. I know that the engine is ready to go, just as far as the intaking of fuel with the vapors. Might have gotten that ratio wrong or something, so if anybody has any advice, just let me know. I want to get this thing up and running. Okay, so after doing that first test and looking back on YouTube at other people that have done it and trying to figure out where I went wrong, I believe that I went wrong in 2 areas. Number one, I had way too much gas in the gas can. A lot of guys have about like a 1/4 of a gallon or a 1/3 of a gallon or so, but I had a full gallon inside of a 2 gallon reservoir. The other issue was probably due to a lack of heat. I heard on YouTube that you have to have heat in order for this to work. However, even though I had run the engine for a little bit before I put it on, it was very cold outside yesterday, almost near freezing, about 10 degrees over and about 40 degrees when I was doing the experiment. So we'll try it again with less gas and warm the engine up a bit more, so that way, hopefully when I put the gas can in there, it'll heat up a little bit, but we'll see how it goes.